If your design feels static, introducing motion through framing can instantly make it more engaging. Today, how to create motion-style frame layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Start by inserting 2 rectangular frames and place them slightly rotated instead of perfectly straight. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully so they still feel balanced. Now select the background and apply a soft gradient or dynamic color tone. Duplicate one frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create a trailing motion effect. Add thin line elements following the same direction and lower their opacity for subtle flow. Use position tools to align everything while keeping the motion feel